Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add country code selector in phone field in checkout page using plugin in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now you see phone field. So we are going to add country code selector by using plugin. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write country code selector. So this is plugin we will use. So click on install now. Then click on activate it. Now plugin is activated. On left side you see setting and then you see country code selector. So click on it. Now we are in plugin setting and then you see country code selector setting. And then you see multiple plugin. So we are going to enable on WooCommerce. Now select and then OK. Now you see WooCommerce selected and then you see country setting. So you can select default country. Now select. So we are going to select United States. Now you see and then you see select countries. Select all. Now all countries added. Scroll down. Click on save changes. Now settings saved. So we select WooCommerce, default country and then we select all. Now go to checkout page and refresh the page. Now you see country region United States and then you see phone +1. So we are going to change country. Now we select Spain. Scroll down. Now you see Spain flag with country code. So you can change from here. Now select. So you can select country code from here according to your requirement. South Korea. Now you see country region also change when we select South Korea from here. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.